Well, it's a broad question because you have different players in different fields. That's that's I think quite important. If you look to the offices, or perhaps start with the logistics, I think indeed there is some similarity between the region as mentioned. Though I see always a lot of the Netherlands going much more linked with the German side, and we are in Belgium more to the French side, always linked. You see that even at seminars or events like MIPIM, or if you look in Munich, so you see there also there is a different thing. Of course, if you look then and we have talked that, we have discussed that also on opportunistic funds. You see indeed in Brussels, there's not too much distress. In the Netherlands, you see more and more things coming. We see more and more discussions are there. There have been some discussions, there have been some deals, but also the valuations in the Netherlands or versus in Brussels of the assets is a totally different environment, and that's what I mean is we have there's a lot of depreciations done in valuations in Amsterdam and the Netherlands on the books than versus in Belgium. So there is already some kind of playing field, right? That there is more room for distressed or opportunistic funds. That's what we see quite well. And for the rest, what we advise is, of course, as well as for offices, as well as for logistics, it's a risk return discussion, as we have seen also. Or you go quite opportunistic and perhaps go for the bigger returns, but of course you will have to lose some. You lose and you win some, and otherwise you have others who are more conservative and who have gone for more stable, robust income with longer tenors and so on. But for us, what we advise, of course, is its location is indeed important, but definitely also the cash flow generation. That's for us quite important, and do a very good due diligence. As you see, also, if you look to because we are talking about a different region in a certain aspect, if you look to the legislative environment in Belgium, or the volatility sometimes in Belgium on legislative deal structuring, let's put it that way, definitely today versus Amsterdam, that's what you have to take into account and study and analyze very good.